Thank you, Courtney. God bless. Yeah, that wasn't that bad. Unless did a longer blast than he did. He used to do like a growl test, not that kind of alert. It's pretty good. Did I go off at 59?
Oh, 59:30.
59:30 seconds? Yeah, I was gonna say, didn't really scare me. I saw the road removing. God, I can't get my phone steady. God dang it. All right, that was actually very nice. Very, very nice. Nice Erick. Nice Erick siren. Wasn't that loud as I was expecting, but at least it went off. Thank God, Courtney. Usually it went off at like 58 back in like 2 years ago, but it actually went off 59 in 30 seconds. It's pretty good. Get over here. But yeah, that pretty much does it for the Erick siren, Courtney. Thank you for watching.